Hey, we are almost at the end of May, which means Memorial Day is right around the corner. And in honor of our veterans and our fallen veterans, especially, thank you for your service. Today's video, we're going to talk about all things VA loans, and we're going to get started right now. Okay, so the first thing about a VA loan is you need to be either honorably or generally discharged. So no dishonorable discharges. So in order to qualify, honorable or general discharge. So the first thing you need is your DD-214. Your discharge document. Will submit that to the VA, and they will submit a certificate of eligibility. Now, the most awesome thing about a VA loan is that there is a no money down requirement. So you don't need any money to put down on your house. You still will need closing costs. And there is a funding fee, which can be added to your loan, but that funding fee is about 2.13 or 2.3, I think, somewhere in there, really low percentage of the sale price of the home. So keep that in mind. You will have a funding fee. Now, that funding fee is waived if you are over 10% disabled, and you know your percentage of disability there, or if you are a Purple Heart recipient. Sometimes VA loans are a little bit longer in escrow simply because the appraisal process takes a little bit longer. So be patient. This step could add another 4 or 5 days to a week to your escrow process. Now, the limit for a purchase price just went up in 2020, so it's a little over 500,000. I believe it's 510,000. That's the limit for no down payment. If you go above that, then you're responsible for 25% of the amount over that limit. So let's say it was 500,000 and you wanted 600,000. That's 100,000 over. You would be responsible for 25,000 of that, which is 25% of that additional 100,000. Now, the VA does not have a credit score requirement or a FICO requirement. However, the VA isn't lending you the money. The bank or the lender is, and they do have their lender overlays, and one of those is a credit requirement in just about every case. I've talked to lenders. 550 is actually happening. A 550 FICO score is actually getting folks qualified. However, the higher your FICO score, the better interest rate you're going to get, just like with a conventional or an FHA loan. In fact, everything else is still the same as a traditional FHA or conventional loan. So you still have to supply documents like pay stubs and bank statements and IRS returns. And if you're married, you can certainly use your spouse's income on the loan as well. Another really cool thing about VA loans, and this is if you qualify for an FHA or a conventional loan, you still would want to take advantage of the VA loan because there is no PMI or private mortgage insurance. So your income has to be verifiable, stable, and anticipated to continue. And yes, your basic allowance for housing is considered income. So you can use that as verifiable income when you're getting pre-qualified. So to all my veteran friends and family out there, first of all, thank you for your service. And secondly, if you want to become a homeowner, please reach out to me. I hope you found this helpful. I can help you. I have several lenders standing by that specialize in VA loans, and we can get you into a house with zero money down. And even if you're refinancing or buying your second home, we can still use my lenders for that. So thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notifications when I post my next video. You'll get automatically notified. And I do this every single Wednesday, so please be sure to check back in next week for next week's video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great, safe, wonderful Memorial Day weekend.